going for Nathania, please. Keep it going for her. My name is Reem Edan, or as white people pronounce it, Ramadan. Reem Edan Mubarak to all of you. I did ask my parents why they chose to name me Reem, which in English means to puncture something at a high velocity or a bulk amount of paper. My dad's like, we did not want you to get bullied, so we chose something aggressive but also office appropriate. It's like, wow. It was an annoying name growing up with in America because I never got a souvenir keychain. My parents used to get me Rachel. They're like, it's your Starbucks name. It's like, oh. I'm Iraqi. Anyone else? Cool. My parents are from Iraq. I was born in America, which is why I pronounce it Iraq instead of Iraq. People are so confused. They're so confused when they find out I'm Iraqi because I'm very ethnically ambiguous, but I identify as a scholarship recipient. So, thank you. I'm what you call racially fluid, which means you can't really tell what I am, but you know you can't fire me. So, that's great. I've been to Iraq. It's a fun tourist destination. I've been hanging out with my uncles in Baghdad, which is a sentence none of you have said before, and super sweet guys. One of them sat me down. He was like, Reem, you live in America, the land of opportunity. What is your dream? I said, to be an actress. He said, change your dream. So I'm a comedian. They should have been more specific. My family is actually pretty cool. My parents are cool. They were even okay with me doing stand-up until they realized I was being serious. They're like, who would want to marry a comedian? I was like, you're right. I should probably do this full time. I'm also Muslim. I'm half Sunni, half Shiite, full shit show. I had a boyfriend once tell me that I had Muslim baggage. Muslim baggage. I was like, why you gotta bring TSA into this, dude? Come on. Come on. First of all, like, I'm Muslim, but I'm not that Muslim. Like, I went to Coachella during Ramadan. I mean, I didn't eat. It's one of the side effects of drugs. Like, my baggage is a carry-on at most. So I'm actually from Colorado. I'm from a town called Fort Collins. No fort. Oh yeah. No fort, just a lot of white guys named Colin. Yeah? And when I was in the 5th grade, my parents had this amazing idea to move the entire family back to the Middle East so that we could learn about our language and our culture, which would have been amazing, but their timing was a little off because we moved to the Middle East a week before 9/11. Yeah. Okay. Relax, we didn't know it was gonna happen, okay? They didn't send out a memo like, if you're brown, skip town, okay? I mean, they did, but legally I can't say that. Anyway. And people always think about how hard life was for brown kids in the United States during that time, right? But nobody considers what life was like for Americans in the Middle East. And people knew I was American because I was fat. It's true, dude. First generation just means you're the first in your family to be overweight. That's it. That's it. I was a pioneer in discovering French fries or freedom fries or thunder thighs, whatever you call them in this country. Yeah, my parents came to the US to give us opportunities they didn't have, like diabetes. And people over there would make fun of me. They would call me a little piggy. I was like, whoa, hey, I'm Muslim, please. Can we choose another animal? How about a cow? I could be a cow. And then eventually we moved back to the United States, and now I was terrified, dude. It was like a post-9/11 world. I was like, people are gonna hate me for being Arab. Like, they're gonna hate me for being Muslim. So I decided to be Mexican. That's what I decided. This guy's like, you can't do that. Si se puede. I chose a very particular type of Mexican too. I was a Chicana gangster, and I know, I had an accent too. I sounded like Dora the Explorer if she taught at juvie. I was like, hi, I'm Dora. What's your name, fool? People ask me if my parents have an accent, by the way. And they do, they do, but they speak pretty good English. They mess up sometimes. Like one time, my dad sent me the eggplant emoji when he made baba ganoush. He was like, come over tonight. I was like, no! He sent it on WhatsApp too, which like WhatsApp was made for immigrants, right? Like Even the name of it screams English as a second language. Like, it's not what's up, it's what's up. But they hate it when I correct them in English. So now, when they mess up in English, I just let it happen. Like the other day, my mom tried to order doggy style at In-N-Out. She's like, it's on their secret menu. I said, yes, it is. She just straight up pulled up through the drive-thru like, yes, hello, I'd like doggy style in the car, please. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, double, please. Let's go. Can I get the extra napkins? I heard it gets very messy. You know? Actually, the last time I had doggy style in here, it smelled like it for 3 whole days. I said, God bless America. My name is Reem Edan. Thank you, guys.